Hello everyone, meet me again Pujo in tutorial how to use e-learning. Right now, let me remind you again that previous video I have shared about some tutorial how to start e-learning, how to enroll, how to upload teaching material, until how to make quiz. There is 3 quiz, multiple choice, true and false, and matching. I hope you already watched that video. This video will show how to make lesson in Moodle platform e-learning based on my experience using this platform to teach the course. This is sample of the lesson that students use already to study the immersion course. Now let me show you the simple and easy way to build the lesson. Before we start, we should plan our lesson. A lesson is made up of pages which may have content for the students to read or questions for them to answer. The question can be created by the teacher or imported. The teacher decides the order in which this page appear. You need to have a clear idea beforehand of what you want to do with this lesson. Is it to be a graded linear learning experience or an ungraded non-linear practice session? Will students be able to go back and visit areas, or is it just once only opportunity? Even those who are very comfortable working directly online might find it useful to note down on paper the direction they want their lesson pages to go in. So before I start, I prepare my handbook, and then I try to divide by some part to make a lesson. For example, my lesson is learning about material topic, unit topic, and then I divide with other topic is a grammar. So you can divide by yourself, or you set up by yourself according to your course. Okay, let's start to learn the e-learning. Log in and then open your lesson. You can open your lesson in here, and then you can click in the green button and then add an activity or resource in here, and then you add the button lesson. You can see the description of the lesson in here. So this, okay, you can click add in here. So, and then you can start to edit your content. Yeah? Content. You can set up your edit in here. Step 2 is setting your lesson. Please give a name lesson, for example L1 for lesson 1. This is my suggestion to make a title by acronym, because in grading preview will more easy to see if you have about a lot of lesson, or you make every unit as a lesson. And then after you give a name, please set up your availability, the date that you will be show up to your student, and deadline, and give a time limit. You can click enable and then time limit. And if you want to make a password in here, you can make it, but again I suggest no need to make a password, because it will be complicated for the student to open. Yeah. And then this panel, prerequisite lesson, just leave it. Flow control, just leave it, just no need. And grade you can set up 100 or just follow the default. Okay, and don't forget to save and display. Okay, Next, after that, step 3 is adding content and question to your lesson. When you have set up your lesson with the lesson setting, don't forget to save and display, because this is very important. If you are forgot, you will be lost your work. Okay, next, add a content page. This is a page where you can provide information to move the lesson forward, but without requiring the students to answer specific question. I suggest you to put every content page with question. So yeah, this is model that I make it. There is a content page, there is question page. So let's make a content page in here. Please open your lesson, and then you can click edit in here. You can click edit, and then in this panel, add new page, you can click add content page. Add content page, and then you start to make a content page. It's very easy, because if you have material in soft copy or in Word, you can copy and paste in here. So make it easy to build your lesson. Just copy and then save. And then in this part, you can also edit. Yeah, you can also edit, and then in the description you can type question in here. Question. So it means the next page, after they finish reading this content, they will answer the question for review the knowledge that the student already got. And then don't forget to click next page in here. This is the simple way, and then save page. Okay, so you already got one page, part of your lesson. And then you can click add new page, because you want to add a new question. Please click question in here, question, and then make a question. So next is adding question. You can make a page title. Again, I suggest you to make an acronym in here, just sign, because this is for you to manage your question. And then what is the question in here? Then there is a kind of question in here. There is multiple choice. The student is given a question and list of answer. The answer list will be shuffled every time the question is viewed by student. So this is multiple choice. Essay, student can write a longer answer as a part of the lesson here. And then matching is similar like quiz. You can build like a quiz. You have to pair of word or pair of question and answer. And then numerical, you can requires a number as an answer. A number within a range may also be accepted as correct. Short answer, a student must provide a single word or short phrase answer. So my suggestion is one word. Okay. So next, let's how to make we choose one more is multiple choice. Let's start with multiple choice. Okay. Then for example, this is the question, and then see the answer, the correct answer in here, and then this is wrong answer, and then don't forget to save page. Okay, so you already have part of the lesson. There is content and question in here, and then you can continue until the end of your lesson. You can make it 20 page or 25 page. So you can divide. My suggestion is make a simple and short every page, the point of every page. And then at the end, please click end of cluster. Now cluster, this is the preview that congratulations, end of the lesson reached, and the students will get grade automatically. You have to make sure again every single content in your lesson with checking with the next lesson. And please, after you finish, you set up your date, check your date, the availability of your date. And yes, finally you already success to build the lesson. Congratulations. Please write comment or question below if you have some question. I will be happy to answer as long as I can answer. Okay, I hope you can start to prepare your lesson. Stay at home, be positive. See you again with me, Pujo, in the next video. Bye bye.